In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of a calendar in Outlook. If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep track of multiple calendars or simply need to update the name of one for better organization, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the calendar section within Outlook. This is where all your scheduling magic happens, and it's the starting point for changing your calendar's name. Once you're in the calendar section, look out for the option labeled Add Calendar. Click on this and then proceed to select Edit My Calendars. This sequence of steps will lead you to the heart of the calendar settings where you can start making adjustments. Next, you'll be presented with a list of your calendars. Take a moment to find the specific calendar whose name you wish to change. You'll want to choose carefully, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Once you've identified the correct calendar, click on it to proceed. Now comes the straightforward part, entering a new name for your calendar. Think about how you want the calendar to be identified moving forward, whether it's for personal use, team coordination, or project management. Whatever the case, type in the new name, ensuring it clearly reflects its purpose or contents. After typing in your new calendar name, the next step is crucial. You must save these changes to make sure your new name is set and ready for use. Look for the Save button and click it to confirm your modifications. If done correctly, your calendar will now reflect the changes you've made. If you're dealing with shared calendars, there's an additional tip that might come in handy. You might notice 3 dots, also known as ellipses, next to the calendar name. Clicking on these dots could reveal a rename option, which is another easy way to change your shared calendar's name. This option is particularly useful if you're managing calendar names across multiple users and need a streamlined method to update them. And there you have it, all the steps needed to successfully change the name of your calendar in Outlook. By following these simple instructions, you'll find it much easier to manage and organize your various calendars, ensuring they reflect your personal or professional needs in a clear and concise manner. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial, and I hope this makes your Outlook experience just a bit smoother.